Hello dear students, enjoying troubleshooting for problems of inverse trigonometric functions. Let us solve fourth one. Okay. If cos inverse of x by a plus cos inverse of y by b equals to alpha, then we have to find out value of x square by a square minus 2xy upon ab cos alpha plus y square by b square. Okay. Options are given. Now first of all, taking cos inverse of x by a as beta and cos inverse of y by b as gamma. Okay. We know that beta and gamma must be in range of cos inverse, that is close equal to 0 to pi. Okay. Now here cos beta will be equal to x by a and cos gamma will be equal to y by b. Let us prepare right angle triangles. Okay. Cos beta equals to x by a, okay, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, so equal to Pythagoras, the opposite side will be equal to square root of a square minus x square. Similarly, cos gamma equals to y by b, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, so the opposite side is according to Pythagoras, square root of b square minus y square. Now we have, this is beta for us, this is gamma for us, so beta plus gamma equals to alpha, so taking cos both the sides. So cos of beta plus gamma equals to cos alpha. Okay. There may be question in your mind that why I have taken cos, why I have not taken sine. Okay. Because see, the assumptions are for cos. Okay. So now we know that c plus c equals to cc minus ss. So it is cos beta cos gamma minus sine beta sine gamma equals to cos alpha. Put in the values. Okay, cos beta x by a, cos gamma y by b. Sin beta, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is square root of a square minus x square upon a, and here it will be square root of b square minus y square upon b equals to cos alpha. Okay, so taking cos alpha at left hand side and this term at right hand side, so xy by ab minus cos alpha equals to square root of a square minus x square upon a into square root of b square minus y square upon b. Taking square both the sides, this will become x square y square upon a square b square minus 2 into xy upon ab into cos alpha plus cos square alpha equals to square of this will be equal to a square minus x square upon a square into bracket b square minus y square upon b square. Okay, now this x square upon y square upon a square b square minus 2xy cos alpha upon ab plus cos square alpha equals to a square b square upon a square b square. Okay, finally we will write it as 1. Okay, no problem. A square b square minus a square y square minus b square x square plus x square y square upon a square b square. Now this keeping as it is, x square y square upon a square b square minus 2xy cos alpha upon ab plus cos square alpha. See, a square b square upon a square b square, that is 1, minus a square y square upon a square b square, that will be y square by b square, minus b square x square upon a square b square will be equal to x square by a square plus x square y square upon a square b square. These terms will be cancelled. Okay. Now taking this x square by a square here, that will become positive. Y square b square here, it will be positive. This is midterm. Okay. Minus 2xy cos alpha upon a. And this cos square alpha will be taken at right hand side. So 1 minus cos square alpha. So this is the left hand side that they have asked us, x square by a square minus 2xy upon ab into cos alpha plus y square by b square. So value we obtained is 1 minus cos square alpha, that is equal to sin square alpha. The answer is B. Okay.